Welcome back, everybody. It is Coinage here, coming at you with another one. We are here taking a look at AMC. It is currently Thursday after hours. It is November 13th, 2025. And markets continue to bleed. So if we hold up where we currently are at the moment, we will be closing red another week, which would be 7 weeks in a row. And the last time we've seen 7 red weeks in a row, I have no idea when that would be. But yeah, I don't know if I've ever seen that. So markets continue to bleed. So in today's video, I'll be doing some technical analysis, be going over the 4-hour moon chart, see where we could be possibly in the charts, and we will take it from there. I'll keep this one short, but yeah, so without further ado, none of this is financial advice, for entertainment purposes only. So for anybody that has not subscribed, go ahead and consider subscribing. Hit that bell notification, hit that like button, comment. So let's get it, let's go. So taking a look at the 4-hour time frame. Actually, let's go on the 15. That way we can see a little bit more detail. So we are trading at all-time lows, and as you can see, we've been trading well under this 50 moving average. We've been having a hard time getting above this 50 moving average, which is this orange EMA right here. You could see it's been struggling since right here, since the beginning of October. So I mean, this potentially could be the bottom, but again, I mean, it just continues to bleed. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn on this moon chart right here. So you could see we are in the third quarter moon, and as of lately, third quarter moon, we have been bleeding out. If you look at the last third quarter moon bleed out, so there's been a lot of bleed outs after that, but you know, right here we got a nice pop to the upside. You know, again, bearish right here too. So the good news is that next week is the new moon, and we're coming to a point next week to where AMC and, you know, the markets, it's coming to a point where it's looking like do or die. It's either we're gonna shoot to the moon or we're gonna make another leg down. So I'll go ahead and turn on these weekdays, or actually I'll mute that actually. So now we're gonna be taking a look at this moon chart to see where we potentially could be at. So if we look at the squeeze that happened here on back in May of 2024, when it squeezed to $11, I guess my question is, you know, could we potentially be in this area? I mean, only time will tell. If we look right here, possible bleed out, new moon, do or die. It actually tanked down, but then this is when the shift occurred. So again, same thing right here, new moon, and then squeeze. A lot of times these squeezes happen after this new moon. Time and time again, I see it when it squeezes, it's right after that new moon, and we look like we're getting to that area. Now this was in May of 2025. Same case right here. Third quarter moon. bleed out, new moon, tank, and then it just squeezed after that to $4, I believe it was. Yeah, $4. So it looks like we're setting up the same thing here. So yeah, as far as it squeezing, you know, it's still on the table, but possibly late November. We'll just have to take it new moon by new moon, see what setup the market does give us. So tomorrow, my covered calls do expire. So if I could close in 100% profit tomorrow, I'm going to go ahead and do one last covered call for the time being in January 16th, 2026. Now for this one, as I mentioned on my last video, for whatever reason, this only particular date allows you to, you know, sell covered calls all the way up to $22. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to do it all the way for $22. That way, even if it squeezes, you know, I'm going for a good squeeze, you know. I'm not going to sell short at $6, you know, because I don't want to risk that. So my covered calls do expire tomorrow. I'm going to try and close 100% in profit during market hours, and I will do covered calls January 26th strike price. I'm sorry, January 16th of 2026 strike price of $22. I'll post that up right here. That way I could just collect a little bit more premium. And what I'm doing with that, I'm buying regular call options that expire March 20th of 2026 with a break-even price of $2.67. So literally it just has to, you know, go up a little bit for those 4 months to at least be at break even. But you know, if we squeeze, hey, I'm gonna collect more funds from that play. So that's basically my plans. I just thought I'd make a quick update. So yeah, again, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Thank you for my new subscribers. Smash that like button. So if you guys got any questions, drop them down below. Let me know your thoughts. You know, if you think we're gonna be squeezing this late November, you think it's gonna be in December, are we gonna squeeze at all? Put your comments down below. And on that note, I will keep you guys posted. I'll post a video over the weekend, give you a weekly update, and we will catch you on the next one. Take care.